Find or read review that people are talking about Dragon Touch KidzPad Y88X 10 tablet. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should buy Dragon Touch KidzPad Y88X 10 Kids tablet. This ऊuHighlight features are included. Android 9.0 Pie OS, quad-core processor, 1.3 GHz, 2 GB RAM for smooth operation. Support 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. 8 megapixels rear camera and 2 megapixels front-facing camera allow your kids to take memorable videos, photos, and selfies. Filter and select content for your kids to keep them safe and set screen time limits to keep them healthy. With 2 parental control apps, Family Link and Kiddos. Create separate profiles, customize content, and track activities for each kid. 32 GB built-in storage. Add a microSD card, not included, for up to 128 GB of additional storage. Get your favorite books, songs, photos, movies, TV shows, games, audiobooks, and educational apps all in one place. Download YouTube Kids, Khan Academy Kids, Duolingo, ABC Mouse, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Xfinity Stream, Netflix, Disney+, and more educational and age-appropriate content for your little one on Google Play. Stylus included on kids' tablets so they can draw to their heart's content. Foldable stand protects against bumps and bashes. Environmentally friendly material is safe for kids. Adjustable shoulder straps let them carry the tablet around safely. Easily stream your favorite content from your tablet to a connected TV via the micro HDMI port. An integrated GPS sensor makes navigation possible when you download an offline map to the tablet. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.